Hey guys, welcome back to another video on trading binary options in pocket option. And in this video I'm going to show you some strategy which you can use right after watching this video. And in this particular video we are going to use this naked chart without any indicator, and also we are going to use the 5-second trading time frame and 5-second candles so that I can exactly show you how you can trade. See, there are lots of strategy that you can use to trade binary options, but whatever strategy works for you best, you can watch my other videos, YouTube videos also for that. And whichever strategy is working for you in real time, you can test it in your demo account before trading in your real account, and then use only that strategy for trading. So for example, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make trades with this naked chart. And if it's working for you by testing in your demo account, then do use this strategy. Or you can use one of my favorite strategy, that is parabolic ACR indicator strategy. You can find the video in my YouTube channel, you can watch it. So let's go to today's video on how you can make trades with naked chart. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair that are OTC and have over 80% payout, and make it yellow so that it appears at here in this way. And then make these candles of S5 5-second time frame, and if it is flag, make it clock and select S5 as a trading time frame. Now your candle is also of 5 seconds and your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds, and decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Once you do this much, then one of the main thing that you need to focus while making trades with the naked chart is the support and resistance. So whatever you see, wherever you see this kind of support and resistance, mark that area. So as you can see here, you can see a breakout is happening at here, and candle is trying to struggle to get back, but it is again resisting at here. So in this case you can make a trade by clicking on lower. Here you can see timer, whenever it is 1 second you can make trade by clicking on lower. Now all of your trades are not going to be right. Some, here you can see we made a loss at here. Okay, so in this way you can make trade by seeing the chart. So now let's see, I'm going to show you multiple charts and show you all of the trading that I am going to make without editing any of this video. Okay, so watch this video very carefully. As you can see here, market is in uptrend. It is trying to come down. It is at a range bound at here. Okay, so if market comes to this area, you can make trade by clicking on higher. Okay, and if market comes at this area, there you can see you can make trade by clicking on lower. So market came to this area, so I made a trade by clicking on higher. Here is a range bound happening. Okay, market is consolidating at here, so you can make a trade in this kind of place. As you can see, I have already made a profit at here. So let's move to another. So here you can see, here is the support area. Okay, and market is again trying to make a range bound at here. It is trying to consolidate at here, so you can make trade by clicking on lower at this point. Okay, or if it is straightly falling down, you can also make trade by clicking on lower in that case also. Okay, so here you can see market is trying to struggle at here, so if it comes at here, I will immediately make trade by clicking on lower. But it seems like it is not going to come in this area, so let's wait. So again it is trying to fall down, so it is falling down. So what you can do is you can make trade by clicking on lower by taking risk. Let's see what happens in this trade. So we made a loss anyways. Now let's move to another. So here you can see market is straightly trying to go up. Okay, but let's wait and see what happens. For a clear signal, we need either this kind of uptrend. Okay, if it is going straightly up, then we can make trade by clicking on higher in this condition. But as you can see, it is trying to fall down. Now this area is a little bit of support area. Okay, if it comes to here, we can make trade by clicking on higher, and we made a profit at here. So as you can see, this was the support area. Now it is trying to break out. Okay, now don't make trade immediately by clicking on lower if you see such breakout. Okay, you need to see a clear trend where the market is going. So here you can see a clear type of trend is happening at here, but here is a support. Now this might, here you can see market is trying to go up again, but it may break out. Okay, so you cannot also straightly make trades at this condition, but if you are willing to take risk, then a proper trade would be to take by clicking on higher in this kind of condition. So let's see in another. Here you can see this is the support area. Okay, market is trying to come to the support, but again it is trying to go back from here also. So let's see what happens. So again, almost all of the market are trying to consolidate at certain place. So we can make trade by clicking on higher, but it made our trade at the peak. Okay, but still we made a profit. But as you can see, market was clearly trying to go up. So let's see in another chart. So here you can see market, it seems like market is trying to fall down from here. Okay, here are the support area, here are the resistance area. From the resistance area, market is trying to fall down. So in this condition, you can make trade by clicking on lower. Let's see what happens in this trade. So here you can see how beautifully the market was trying to fall. So that's why we made a trade by clicking on lower. So let's see another chart. So here you can see there is a good support, right? There is a good support and market is trying to go up from this area. So we can take risk and make trade by clicking on higher. So let's see what happens. Yeah, we made a loss. Now here you can see it has tried to, it is trying to break out. Now it may consolidate for some time at here, and if the breakout happens, then you could trade by clicking on lower at here. So let's see in another chart. So here you can see this is the support area. Market bounced back from the support area and again trying to fall down to the support area. So let's see what can we do in this condition. If market straightly tries to go up from this support area, okay, this is a resistance and this is a support. From this area, if tried to go up, we could take trade by clicking on higher, but it fell down, so we make a trade by clicking on lower, and let's see what happens in this trade. Okay, we neither made profit nor made loss at here, but it seemed like a breakout. But here you can see again consolidation is happening at here. Market is trying to form a range bound at here, but again it has started to fall down. And if it straightly falls down, then you could make trade by clicking on lower in this place. So let's see, here you can see there is a support area and market is trying to move up. Okay, move up, and we are not getting a clear signal at here. Again here consolidation is happening. We need a clear signal on where market could go. So here you can see market was trying to fall down. That's why I made a trade immediately, and most probably we made profit. I want you to watch this video again and again so that you can see the chart with your naked eyes and decide where actually the market could go. Okay, possible direction of the market, and then may start to make trades. So let's see another. So here you can see market is straightly trying to go up, right? So in this condition, let's see a proper place and make trade by clicking on higher, because market is trying to go up. But let's see what happens. Yes, we made a profit, but it was a little bit risky place to make trade. Okay guys, so for this video I'm going to show this much only. Again, you can rewatch this video and decide where exactly you can make trade. Find such places, test it in your demo account, and if you want to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video or in the first comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.